ato lang ikuan nga nata sa Sub-Saharan Desert. So with us first, RD Noel, the DTI family, at the Darwin, the family, the Director Council, Board of Directors, to please join us for a photo op and the launching of our Creative Iligan brand, and then everyone follows.
Medyo higap pa tayo. So guys, these are our gadgets for our digital arts, animation, and game development. It's Wacom Simtech product. So one of our industry partners is Wacom. Aside from the first unveil our Creative Iligan brand. RD, let us ask can we ask our so by the way, this is an unveiling of our Creative Iligan brand. So this will elevate our positioning on our application for the United Nations Creative City Network designation. So, Ms. Abby? Okay, so on the count of 3, dinahon na po yung laptop, no? Kailangan ka-high-tech, ano? Okay, Ms. Abby, do the honor. Counting. Okay, so let's all count. From 10, or from 9? Sige, 1, 2, ready, go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! So this is our creative logo that comprises the whole full line creative industry Innovation Hub for Performing Arts through, for Creative Innovation Hub through peace building in the field of performing arts. So we have here award, Panika award. Okay. So this now represents the beauty of the whole creative Iligan brand.
Festivals, film, games.
So can we have a photo op? Like parang medyo nag-sauna na ba? Can we ask Darwin? All the creative council, elders. Come here. Sir, join us.
Bilang, may pagbalik ninyo, air colony.
Okay.
Okay, thumbs up everyone.